Hey everyone, it is now I got to think of my name. It is Jamming with Yarn. You know, I want to say Jones Booze and Jam. Jamming with Yarn. I just got some mail from the post office. I was studying, and I was taking a 15-minute break from studying. I'm trying to study an hour, take a 15-minute break. I got some mail from Nitpicks, and I opened it, and it is my Knit Picks Bright Crocheting Needles. They were $19.99, and you can see the range. I don't have all the range in crocheting needles, and I really do need this. This is the largest, and I hope my needle like this, so I really hope that they make a big difference. I like my hook to go have that little sharp end back there, not that big curve. It really messed me up. So I hope that these work well. And this is the smallest. And there's the camera, and this is the largest. And I wanted to share that with you guys. I also got my beauty pack from Walmart. And what's in it? We have, I don't have my glasses. We have some Dove exfoliating body polish. Okay. We have Halo toothpaste. More Avena. They love giving samples of this Avena. Oh my gosh. It's the same kind. And I always wanted to try this Jergens Wet Skin Moisturizer. Let's see. Okay, elbow. Funny how my elbows always get dark right there. Someone told me because you lean on your elbows. Let's see what, okay. Ooh, wet skin. Oh, my skin is not wet though. Oh well. I hope it's not too, give me a minute, you guys. Let's see what that, put a little water on it. Wet Skin Moisturizer. I don't want to break out. Now I think I have something here. I can wipe it down. Wet. I'm gonna wipe my hands. It looks pretty good. Strong though. Whew. Okay. No wet skin. Wet skin. Big difference. Okay, and one other thing is the Pantene Foam Conditioner, which wash your hair, do the foam, let the foam absorb in the hair, and rinse out. Okay. That's what it looked like. Get a lot in there. It smells, it's loud. Can you imagine how much perfume and loud stuff and chemicals we put in our body? Because this is loud, this is loud. And what if you shower with that? I mean, you're like overdosing on chemicals. I'm just saying, okay? And the last thing in here is Donkey Milk Skin Gel. It looks like a mask. It's one of those masks that you put on your face. Okay, that's it, you guys. I just want to tell you thank you for being such wonderful people. Thank you for being here for me. And I'm serious because you guys know I've been through hell. And I don't know, when you walk through hell and you're trying to come out of it, and excuse me, granddaughter, you feel the burn. Okay, that's all I can say. And I'm just thankful that you guys are here. I'm still trying to get my act together. I have to really work hard on myself. I haven't been working as hard as I should have been, and I've gotten caught up mentally in the mess, and I don't want that because that's not me. You know, that's not the person I am, and that's not the life I want to live. I've always lived a peaceful life, a joyful life, a grateful life, and I've been so fortunate to have people in my life that love me, and my husband loved me so much, and I miss him dearly. My best friend that I talk to every day for 30 years, and to go from that to silence is it's a change, you know. And yeah, I know that there are groups out there you can go and talk to and all that stuff, and in time I may do that. I'm not dying for well, I guess I am. I love you guys communicating with me, but I'm not dying to get involved with a relationship with a girlfriend or anybody. Okay, I just miss my best friend. That's all that really is. And I need to get my head on so I can take care of Shirley. Yeah. So, see you guys. Remember to be the best that you can be. Remember that uh, today is a new day. Tomorrow's a new day. If we wake up, let's do that. Let's do it. Okay. I remind you and you remind me, please, because sometimes I do forget to stay positive. Sometimes I do get down. So take care. Love you and have a good day.